Are you in search of a crypto card which functions well for daily transactions in 2026? In today's video, we're going to analyze Tangem Pay Visa and ask ourselves a very straightforward question. Does it work well enough for daily transactions? Well, let's dive in. Tangem Pay is a payment mechanism within the Tangem app that enables users to spend their USDC on Polygon via a virtual Visa card. It can also be added to Apple and Google Pay services, simplifying contactless and online payments. Now, here comes a twist. While your Tangem wallet is self custodial, the payment mechanism acts differently with a separate card system. Now let's talk about the benefits. The most important benefit is convenience. Tangem Pay was made for quick daily payments, featuring a simple two-step process and transparent pricing. Coin Bureau mentions its 2026 forecast where Tangem Pay card is said to be provided for free with no app-based fees and one-is-to-one conversion between USDC and USD. Additionally, Tangent Pay uses Visa rails, meaning it can be used virtually everywhere where Visa cards work. Of course, there are some cons to this system. Tangent Pay is bound by card network policies, issuer partnerships, and regional availability. In addition, it currently relies on USDC and Polygon, so if you use other coins, you will have to convert your funds. Moreover, there is an identity checker for the payments layer, so Tangent Pay isn't similar to crypto wallets providing anonymity. So, will Tangent Pay work as a reliable daily use crypto debit card? Yes, but with caveats. Tangent Pay seems like an excellent choice for anyone who uses Tangent cards, desires self custody, and spends primarily stable coins like USDC. Should you desire more flexibility or want something closer to a conventional debit card experience, you might need to look at other options. For basic stablecoin transactions in the Visa network, Tangent Pay is one of the more viable choices in 2026. This was my take on Tangent Pay Visa. Tell me in the comments if you would use a crypto debit card for day to day spending.